What is up, guys? I am making this video tonight because this is my official call out. I am in search of a media guy. I have a new segment planned for the channel I'm very excited about. I have already made arrangements with a local racetrack to begin filming. And let's face it, since I've been the only one doing all the filming around here, there are definitely improvements to be had in the quality of footage that comes out of Garage Quinn Motors. So I am looking for somebody to come and join me, to work with me directly. We're assisting with a lot of the editing, but I need somebody who can film and film well. I don't need anybody super professional. You don't have to have some long ass resume. Ideally, if you're getting into it and it's something that you're passionate about, that's great. Most importantly, you should have a passion for automotive. So when you come here and we're filming, it just will work out much better. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be having a period of about 2 weeks for you to submit your applications. I'm gonna put the link below for the contact form for Garage Quinn Motors. Send me what you got. Give me your portfolio. It doesn't have to be anything really long. I don't want to sit here and read some long resumes for everybody. But send me your Instagram, your Facebook, YouTube, wherever you have some of your work posted so I can kind of scope it out a little bit. And I will narrow it down to probably like 3 people. And I'll have you come down. We'll sit down and have a little chat. Talk about what the next segment is and what the expectations are. And then we will go from there. So I look forward to hearing from you. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer you. And that is it for this one, guys. Till next time, done.